Hello and welcome to my kitchen. In this video, my mom is gonna show how she makes Jeera Methi Puri with fresh fenugreek leaves. And recently on our trip to Scotland, we took these puris with us and they got gobbled up. They're so delicious. So we're gonna share the recipe with you. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you'll need 2 cups or 300 grams of plain flour, 50 grams of Chappati or Roti flour, and we add Roti flour so that the puris don't shrink. 50 grams of fresh or frozen methi or fenugreek leaves, 20 grams or 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, 10 grams or 1 heaped tablespoon each of cumin seeds and whole peppercorns, and I'm going to grind each of them up in a pestle and mortar. 1 heaped tablespoon or 20 grams of sugar, I'm using granulated sugar. 4 teaspoons or about 25 grams of salt, and you can start off with less if you like. Here I have 1 cup of ghee. I'll use about ½ a cup to bind the dough, and the remaining ghee we'll use for frying. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is to grind up the peppercorn in the pestle and mortar. Is that good?
Yeah, good.
Okay, so it's pretty coarse. All right, so I'm gonna put the plain flour and the roti flour into a big bowl and just mix them up by hand. And then I'm gonna add the peppercorn that I just ground up. And then we're gonna grind up the cumin seeds. All right, so this just needs to be ground up a little bit so that it releases the oils. And then we're gonna add this also, and then we're gonna add in the salt, the sugar, the sesame seeds, and mix in the dry ingredients, and then add the fenugreek leaves and mix that in. Mom, it's a lot of salt in here.
Yeah, but the sugar આવે એટલે નીકળતું salt હોવું જોઈએ.
Okay, so you need to be able to taste the salt.
Salt, yeah.
Okay, all right. And you add sugar? Why?
Because it tastes nice. મેથીની ભાજી આવે ને એટલે taste nice લાગે.
Okay, because methi કડવું લાગે.
કડવી લાગે અને sugar little હોય એટલે salt જરાક નીકળતું હોય તો fine લાગે.
Oh, that's interesting. Okay, so she said she adds sugar because the methini bhaji is slightly bitter, and so you need to just counteract that with adding a little bit of sugar. And when you add sugar, you need a little bit more salt. So anytime you add something sweet in there, a little bit of salt is always good, which is what I say too. You need a good amount of salt. All right, so this is mixed nicely. Now we're going to add the ghee. So I've got 1 cup here, so you think ½ a cup, yeah?
½ a cup, yeah.
All right, let's see. So there's ½ a cup left in there, so let's see. And you need a lot of ghee because then the puri comes out.
Yeah, nice and soft.
Flakey, ne?
Flakey, yeah.
Yeah. So you want to make sure that you get all the flour from the bottom and everything mixed in properly before you do the test, which is you need to be able to hold it in your hand and make a fist with it. So if you hold it like this, how's that, Mom?
Because it's breaking
too easily.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Let's see.
You want to see?
Yeah.
Okay.
નાની જોઈએ.
It's good?
Yeah, good.
Oh, all right.
Mix.
Okay, so now I'm going to add some lukewarm water, and I've measured out 1 cup here, but I'm just going to make a stiff dough with this. Okay, so it's a fairly stiff dough like you would do for your normal fried puris.
And then we can leave for 10 minutes rest.
Okay. Do you taste it or you just know it's good, Mom?
I know it's good, but you can taste it if you want to.
Okay. Yeah, good. You can definitely taste the salt.
Yeah.
But I think when you fry it and everything,
Then
it'll come
it's
out. Yeah, you want to
properly.
taste? You want to taste it?
Yeah. No, it's perfect.
Very nice. Okay, good. So now we're just going to let this rest for 10 minutes. I'm going to cover it with a bowl. Now I ended up using just under a half a cup of warm water to bind the dough. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes. Oh,
Yeah.
it feels really nice.
Yeah.
Good.
Good.
Okay, so now we're gonna make
Puri.
balls from this. Okay, so we're making balls just about the size of puri, ne? Smaller
Yeah.
than roti
Yeah.
balls. All right, so we're gonna put some ghee on here,
No.
and I'm gonna make this flat. And then we're gonna roll it. How thick, Mom?
That will do.
Yeah?
Yeah. Now put 4, 5 cup muku.
Okay. So it's about 3 millimeters thick. And then we're just going to make 5 lines like this.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. And then we need to let these dry for half an hour?
Yeah.
Okay. Why do you let it dry? Does it help it to stay crispy or something?
Yes. Yes. That's the reason.
Okay. Okay.
So keep like this.
And why, like, this is thicker than I make puri normally, so why is it so thick?
Nice with the tea.
Yeah?
When you're eating, at least you can fill up with the puri.
That's true. You have 1 or 2 of these
Yeah,
puri.
2 will enough for the tea
Yeah,
time
you're
in
right.
the breakfast. If you eat 2 puris, you feel enough.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, because they're pretty substantial.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's right.
That's true. And Mum, your English is so good. How how did you learn how to speak English?
In starting,
Yeah.
I come in 1956 by boat
Oh,
from
wow.
India to London.
Oh my God.
And in the one day with the breakfast, I found one of the teacher.
Oh wow.
So she said, do you like to start the English? I said, yes. You teach me, I will learn. So she started to teach me.
Wow.
And every morning she teach me. And when I come from India
Yeah.
to Tilbury, you see, then I tell that not to pick up the Tilbury, come to the St. Pancras.
Oh wow.
So he's surprised I'm coming first time and how she knows
Yeah, yeah.
what to do. So I said, I'm coming to St. Pancras and pick me there.
Oh wow.
So that's the thing. It's very helpful and I'm very grateful to my teacher.
Yeah.
She was very nice lady.
Oh, well, that's so cool.
Yeah.
How many days on the boat, Mom?
19 days.
19 days.
And
Wow.
I come from Africa, you know, Captain, because boat doesn't come straight away at that time.
Oh, wow.
So I come from Africa, went to Cape Town and that side.
Oh, I see.
That's why it's make 19 days. Otherwise it's come in 8 days. But because of war or something going on.
Oh.
That's why.
Wow. There you go. Very interesting.
Mm.
So this amount of dough made 35 puris, and after resting for about 20 minutes on one side, we're going to flip them over and then let them rest for another 15-20 minutes, just so that it dries out a little bit. So my puris have been drying for a good hour because we ended up having our tea and having a nice tea break in between. And so now we're getting ready to fry. So I've got a tray here with some newspaper underneath and some paper towels on top. I've got my spoon, my slotted spoon ready, and my pan to fry the puri. All right, so I'm gonna add the ghee in here. And I'm gonna add about a half a cup of oil. Is that good, Mum?
Put more.
More? Okay. A little bit more.
Yeah.
So it's about an inch deep worth of ghee and oil mixed together. So I've turned the heat on, the number 7, which is a medium high, just to heat up the ghee and the oil, and then I'll be turning it down a little bit. All right, so the oil's been heating up for about 3-4 minutes, and I'm just going to test it. And it's almost there. It's not quite there yet. All right, let's test it again. Okay, that's a quicker response. So I'm going to turn the heat down now to the number 5, and I'm going to add some puris in there. How many shall I add, Mum?
3 and 6.
Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Here, I'm going to give you the spoon so you can fry it. Show me what to do. So ek baju tawa didu, pachi then you turn it, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so you let it cook on one side for a couple of minutes and then you flip it over. And because these are thicker, you need to let them cook all the way through. Okay. You don't want to make it too red. No, that's why you don't have the heat on so high.
Yeah.
Okay. It's just going red around the edges. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. It smells nice because of the ghee in there.
I know. Very nice. Yeah,
Yeah?
Yeah. You can take it off now.
Okay.
Nice.
Yeah. And I got this really good skimmer spoon, Mum. Look.
Yeah.
It takes out everything.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. All the oil is clean now.
That's good.
Yeah, it's really good. And then we're
Yeah.
going to add some more puri.
Yeah.
You turn it twice.
Twice, yeah.
So I flipped it once, so now I turn it again?
Yeah. One more.
Okay. Ah. And there you have it. The Jeera Methi Puri with fresh methi is ready. And Mum, they are so nice. They're so flaky and so delicious.
Thank you. I'm proud of you.
Oh.
Helping all the people.
Thank you so much, Mom. Thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all soon for some more cooking inspiration.